Sunday morning at 8:30 a.m. on cable channel 1. Each Sunday morning, we dive into what you need to know before you purchase or service a new or used vehicle. Richie has over 3 decades of consumer knowledge and addresses every driver's wants and needs. Our guests and dealer spotlights will dig deep into subjects such as new features, pre-owned, depreciation, reputation, financing, service, warranty, expectations, and of course, much, much more. It's all sponsored by ShopSmartAutos.com.
Welcome everyone to ShopSmartAutos. We have a special guest today, Jean Fontana. We're going to bring her in momentarily. Just 1 second.
Hi.
Jean, welcome to ShopSmartAutos. I mean, you're the founder of Warranty Chimp. How are you today?
I'm great, Richie. Really great. And I want to thank you for having us on your show today. It's really important to get the information out to consumers. I'm really happy. Thank you.
Jean, we always do something. We want to talk a little bit about you, tell the audience a little bit about you. I know you've done a lot of stuff out here in the island.
Yeah.
It's our honor to have you here.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
Thanks. I was in the my own ad agency for 30 years, and it was pretty huge. I had 39 of your car dealers here on Long Island and in Jersey and Connecticut. Really love the automotive industry. And I went on to do more marketing and strategic planning with about 7 of my team. It's in lieu of 30 some odd people that we had. But I really enjoy the fact of Long Island. I was the chair of Promote Long Island for 8 years, and it really was about trying to retain and keep young people on the island. You know that it's so expensive today to live on Long Island that things like Warranty Chimp, I'm hoping, will help. Started Warranty Chimp about 3 years ago with another developer and just didn't get off the ground. And just more recently, thanks to your help, and to the help of some of the dealers on the island that are taking the program and the consumer interest that we have, it's off and running. And I'm really, really happy to see that.
You know, Jean, as a guy that's online all the time and a guy that has developed different solutions for the consumer side and also for the dealer side, I see the product that you have. And that's amazing how now consumers, especially with coronavirus, don't have to walk into a dealership to get an extended warranty. You know, not too long ago, consumers had to go to a dealership and buy a warranty. I have a lot of consumers that follow me on social media and I refer them to car dealerships. So now I'm able to announce this program. So how did you come up with such a lucrative program that helps the consumer so much?
Well, you know, there's an old saying, and it's pretty played out right now, I'm sure, but timing is everything. And when we got started again on this program in January of 2020, it was like, you know, we just figured we would go out there and we would see if we can help the consumers and we can come up with a lower cost warranty program through a portal site and eliminate the middleman so the consumer can go directly. Well, little did we know that this pandemic was going to take over and there were going to be millions of people that were never interested in purchasing online, now looking to the online solution for everything. And automotive is really, really big. I think you'll attest to that online automotive right now and digital retail is it. There's no more, you know, going to the store. So Warranty Chimp hit. Sometimes you're lucky, and I think we were very blessed to hit at the right time.
Thank you so much. And you know, Gina, why should consumers use Warranty Chimp?
Well, the historically, consumers were feeling nervous about a warranty and the cost of a warranty and how expensive it would be to add a warranty, because a pre-owned vehicle after 5 years depreciates 50%. And it still has another maybe 100,000, 125,000 miles to go if you've got 75,000 miles on it. But then when they looked at, oh my goodness, now I'm going to add a warranty to this, how affordable is this going to be? So what we did was we figured if we could teach the consumer very simply through a simple form online how to select the services that they need, pick their deductible, and then get interest-free financing, we would be able to save them hundreds, if not $1,000 or more, by doing it themselves. It's very, very simple procedure.
Wow, I'm so glad you said that. And the other thing that's really important, how are my claims paid? I mean,
How are your claims paid? Well, you just fill out a form. When you're ready, you dial a phone number. They'll send you the information you need, and it's immediate. And you can have a service. You can have a service situation anywhere in the country with Warranty Chimp. Warranty Chimp is not the provider. Warranty Chimp is simply a portal site that picked the proper provider that we felt would offer the best solution and the best reputation, and offer the consumer an opportunity by doing it themselves to save the middleman, save that dealer expense and or any other expenses tied into it. It's a very, very low cost for maximum protection. You can get a program for like $1,000 or less and pay it out over 50% of the term and really, really do yourself justice. Let me just tell you why, okay? If you can save on a $30,000 car 50% in 5 years, let's say it's a 2015 Toyota Corolla, and it has 75,000 miles on it. You can still get another 125 to 150,000 miles on it. Well, with Warranty Chimp, you can buy a warranty for as long or as short as you need. You could say, okay, I'm just going to take it for 2 or 3 years and see if I still want this car. Or you can go beyond that and take it for 5 years, even 6 years, if you think you're going to drive the car. And the best part of it is that if you get a low cost warranty and you add it to a 5-year 50% savings, you could probably come up with a low monthly payment for your car. And guess what? You pay for this warranty directly, and it's interest free. So it doesn't tie into that other burden of the car payment. It's a separate payment that allows the consumer to enjoy the warranty for as long as they need it, for as long as they want it, and pay for it monthly, separately, without interest.
Wow. And Gene, I wanted to share something with you. In 5 years, right, what a consumer spends with warranty, recalls, and maintenance is anywhere between $11,000 to $12,000, right?
What do you mean with warranty, Rich?
With warranty, for example, a warranty claim.
Mm-hmm. Oh, a claim.
Right. What they spend in the service department, each vehicle is about $11,000 to $12,000. So that means warranty claims are included, recalls are included, and regular maintenance is included.
Well, we all know that without regular maintenance, it's abusing the vehicle. But with Warranty Chimp, obviously recalls don't cost anything for a recall, but with Warranty Chimp, you have a low deductible of $100. So if you have $11,000 worth of problems and you have a $100 deductible, that's what you really want a warranty for. It's like not having health insurance. It's like the worst thing you can do on a pre-owned vehicle is to ignore the importance of maintaining that vehicle. Oh, by the way, the warranty goes with the vehicle. So if you're something like me and you drive a car and you get tired of it, even though I'm buying pre-owned, I may get tired of it in 2 years or 3 years. The warranty goes with the vehicle, which improves the value of that vehicle to the consumer.
5 years ago, the parts of a vehicle were 40% lower. Today, the parts are 50%, 60% higher. There's a lot of sensor with the technology age. Also, the automotive sector has increased these cars with technology. So one sensor can cost you, the ABS sensor goes for $980.
Yeah, and no matter what warranty you go for, and I hope it's Warranty Chimp, and I hope all of Long Island just jumps on and takes a peek today. But no matter what warranty you go for, you really have to make sure that you're getting full MSRP on parts and posted labor rates, because a lot of warranty companies are going to give you a percentage of what you get. But what we did with Warranty Chimp is, of course, we wanted to make sure we took all the fat out. We want to take all the fat out so that the consumer is really, truly saving money. And then on top of it, we want to make sure that they get full MSRP on parts and posted labor rate. You get a Porsche and has a problem, or you get a Chevy that has a problem. If the posted labor rate is on that service center, that's what you get paid back.
That's a very good program that you have. I'm really impressed with this program. And we have you on our website as ShopSmartAutos, where we're putting you out there because we feel this product is an elite product for the consumer. And at ShopSmart and myself, we're all about the consumer. The consumer means a lot to us. We're looking out for the consumer consistently, and there's a lot of stuff with Kelley Blue Book on there and all kinds of stuff to protect the consumer. So when the consumer goes shopping, they find a great deal. But not only now we have that, we also have warranty, Chim. So when the consumer is looking for a car, they know that they have an alternative to get a better deal on a warranty, which is very, very important for the consumer. Right
I
now.
want to say something about ShopSmart. I'm really impressed with ShopSmart. It's really a solution, and again, it's another timely solution because with the pandemic, we've seen that more and more people are going online. You know, if you looked at the online purchasing or the online interest in cars, even a year ago, it was primarily under 34 years old. 85% of the shopping experience for an automobile is done before they walk into a dealership. And what you've done is you've added the solution of first of all, the entire country. And I think you have, is it 6 million vehicles that you can choose from? And,
Yes.
and then a consumer could go right in and plug in the car of their dreams and find out everything they need to about that car. And I think you just added Kelley Blue Book. Is that right? And what would that do for the consumer, the Kelley Blue Book?
Well, they can appraise their car there, but not only that, Kelley Blue Book has a price advisor. So every car that the dealer is charging a lot of money, it doesn't qualify based on Kelley Blue Book standards. So now it's Kelley Blue Book protected price wise. The product is called a price advisory, where it protects the consumer. We're all about the consumer first, you know.
Yeah, and I know that Dealer Track is also something you put on, and that's really a help for the dealer to some extent. But it does help the consumer because it expedites, does it not?
Yes, it does. At that note, we're going to take a little break. We'll be right back.
Thank you.
Hey, Lee Wolf here. Purchasing a pre-owned vehicle is a big decision. It takes a lot of time, effort. You have to put a lot of thought into it. Once you make that purchase, then it comes time to think about your extended warranty. And believe me, you're going to wish you had one. That's why I wanted to tell you about Warranty Chip. When I bought my pre-owned vehicle, I got a great deal, but I bought it in the dead of winter. So when the long, hot summer months came along and I flipped on my air conditioning, no air conditioning. Thank goodness I had an extended warranty, or it would have cost me hundreds of dollars in repairs. With Warranty Chimp, model for model, option for option, you're going to get the very best price you can get on your extended warranty. But let's just say for some reason you do find a better price, which is highly unlikely. Warranty Chimp is going to match that price and give you $100 towards your warranty. You really can't go wrong. First things first, log on to warrantychimp.com. Build a plan that works perfectly for you. Remember, you're buying direct from their portal site, and that's how you're guaranteed the lowest price out there. Or they're going to match the price anyway and give you that $100. Log on today, warrantychimp.com.
Back. Gene, welcome back.
Thanks, Richie.
Yes. So what DealerTrack does, Gene, is the consumer can actually get approved right online.
That's
Not
amazing.
it's not like you apply and somebody will get back to you. It's all technology, and they're getting approved right online. It's going to to lenders, so they get approved right online. Boom, and that's it. So that's the next.
Well, that's really an important thing, because again, with this pandemic that we're experiencing, you too have very timely instruments, solutions, not just for the consumer, but for the dealer, because the dealer is really suffering now with the confusion of this pandemic and what it's caused. But I just did see that we had some recovery in I think it was May. Was it May that it came back up a little bit? But pre-owned is still taking the lead with sales. Why? Because who can afford a new car these days? It's so expensive. So just by letting it live and breathe, manufacturers are doing such a great job with keeping those things on the road for a couple of 100,000 miles. So now we can get a pre-owned car and we can absolutely tie a warranty into it, drive it another 5 years. For the first time in my life, I have a 5-year-old vehicle, I think, or a 4-year-old vehicle. I don't do that usually. I usually trade them in like people trade in socks. I love cars. So I'm constantly looking for the next car, the next car. As soon as I get in one car, I'm looking for the next car. But it doesn't make sense today because of the cost of a vehicle today. My first house costs less than a vehicle today. So it's really important that you tie your brain into the purchase when you buy a used car, and tie the cost of that warranty into it, even if you're only paying for it for half the time. It's an example. If you bought a 36-month, 75,000 warranty, you might spend maybe $60, $70 a month, but only for half the time of the warranty. So you pay for it in 18 months and you ride free for 18 months. And if you do sell that vehicle, that warranty will go with it. And that's really important. And a lot of consumers are concerned, oh, why should I put a warranty on if I want to sell the car? What happens to me? What happens to the warranty? It lives and breathes with the vehicle.
You know, Gina, and that's a very good point you made. I'm going to say something about that. You know, used cars today are not the used cars of yesterday.
Okay.
And the reason they're not, because the trade-in, when people trade in a car, it's taken anywhere from 9 to 10 years on a pre-owned vehicle. The reason is because cars are made better, but really 90% of the used cars have a warranty. So they're able to fix it right the first time. So nobody's got to cut back. You know, you go to a service department, well, let's not do this and let's try to get away with that. There's no more of that, because all these vehicles that are on the road have an extended warranty. And what's interesting is now you can get a vehicle with 150,000 miles and get a warranty for it.
Well,
it's amazing. It's amazing how the market conditions have changed towards taking care of the consumer. It wasn't like that not too long ago, maybe 6-7 years ago. That didn't exist.
Yeah, it's really an important point that you're making here. And the warranty that the consumer buys on a pre-owned vehicle should really, they should be looking at the whole history of the vehicle before they buy the vehicle. Put the warranty together with Warranty Chimp, just what they need, not be pumped up by some salesperson that's on commission, and eliminate the expense of a high cost warranty. But I do have to say that we are doing a dealer program, because a lot of the dealers love the fact that they don't have to tie the cost of the warranty into the finance package. And they also love the fact that they don't make the money, but they get the job done and they have the car roll out with a warranty, and the consumer signs on right there at the dealership or when they get home and picks up the warranty that they need. And that dealer will get credit for that, a small fee, none of the old day fees, because the whole point of Warranty Chimp is to keep the cost down, get a better plan at the best price you possibly can.
And you know, Gene, there is financing available in Warranty Chimp. Is that correct?
0% financing. You purchase it directly, and it's 0% financing for half the time that you buy it for. If you buy a 2-year warranty, you pay for it over a whole year, and then you drive free for a year. You buy a 3-year warranty or more, you get 18 months to pay for it and drive free after that. So 0% financing is something that we worked out with the provider so that the consumer really feels like if I need time to pay for this, first of all, I got the best price. I got a great plan. I mean, if you look at warrantychimp.com, just to browse through it and have some fun, you're going to see that you can get a really great plan. And after you get a great plan, when you hit the button, that's all you have to do is click what you want, and you'll see the price. And that's going to blow you away, because we compared ourselves to previously to dealers, but more important, even to online providers. And even the online providers were as much as 40% higher than Warranty Chimp. Oh, there's a price guarantee. Can I talk about the price guarantee?
Yeah, please do.
Okay, if it's a consumer purchase, a consumer purchasing directly and buys a warranty from Warranty Chimp, takes the warranty and goes off with it. And within 30 days of that purchase, they find a warranty, model for model, option for option, mileage for mileage, the same comparison for less. We will refund the difference plus $100 as a bonus, because we're so certain that they won't beat the price. We're hanging a $100 bonus in front of every consumer's eyes. Buy it from us and then go shopping. And if you can find it for less, we're going to give you back your money over the cost and $100 because you kept us on our toes.
Wow, that's really an unbelievable program you've got. Gene, how long did it take you to develop this program? That's amazing.
Oh, well, again, I started 3 years ago and it fell on my face. And then when I hooked up with you and your connections and you supported me, it was really a big help. And then everything fell into place, because I'm a marketer. I'm not a warranty provider. I have a great warranty provider right now on Warranty Chimp, and we look at that constantly. So if the provider may change, but the concept doesn't change. But that's what I do. I'm a marketer. I mean, that's what I do. You, on the other hand, are a visionary and a digital genius. So by getting the support that you said, hey, Jeannie, call this person, do this, do that, instead of it taking that started 3 years ago, it took me about 6 months this time to get it, and quite a bit of money, but about 6 months to get it to where now I feel really good about consumers visiting, locking down, and even dealers giving us a call now for the dealer program. Very nice of you to help.
Well, Gene, it's really amazing that they can finance the vehicle. They can finance the warranty. That's really amazing what they could do. And why do I say that? Because here's one of the things that happens. Like you said earlier, right? You used to trade in a car right away. You were in the car and you wanted to get out of that car, right? Yeah. Well, what happens is in the automotive industry, this is a collateral. It's the only collateral that depreciates, right? And it depreciates based on miles and maintenance, and wear and tear. So now that consumer goes into a dealership, a 2-year-old car, and they're $3,000 or $4,000 away from a deal, right? So they come up and put the money down and they want an extended warranty. Well, guess what? The bank doesn't give them that extended warranty like they had, because there's not enough money for the advance, right? So now with Warranty Chimp, all those consumers can get a warranty because it's outside their finance.
And who wants to pay interest on a warranty for 5 years with the loan of the car? Who wants to tie in that expense and compound the interest when they can simply just get it 0%, just by filling out a simple form, clicking on to what they want, 3 years, 5 years, 36,000 miles. What is it that you want? Click on it. Do you want some extra bells and whistles? Some of them do. Well, it's still going to be less because it's guaranteed. So it's really, you're right. And some of these folks don't have the kind of credit that would absorb another $60 or $70 in a payment. But if it's an interest-free payment and they're okay and they can do it from home, they're going to feel a lot better about that car payment. Why compound that into the car payment?
Right. It makes no sense for them to even finance it. But if they do and they want to get out of the car, I see that all the time in dealerships. We can't do it. They can't get an extended warranty. They got to pay it with a credit card. And the dealer tells them, listen, put it on a credit card and make your minimum payment and spread it out for 12 months. Well, guess what? They're still paying interest. With warranty, Jim, they have the option to go in there at zero interest. Zero.
You know, I think that's a good point, Richie, because it's really about, first, of course, you really want to make sure, and I hope that when you look at what we did for you guys, you'll see that the programs are very strong. They're very solid. And then when you look at the number, it's the lowest price you're going to find, guaranteed, or cash back. But the final piece of not having to compound it, and that's really what I keep talking about, especially with used car buyers. They're struggling enough to make a $260 car payment or a $300 car payment. Do they really want to compound and compound interest on a warranty? And warranties are cancelable. If you stick it into that thing there with your financing, you got all kinds of convoluted problems. But if you decided after 6 months or 7 months, no warranty company can hold you. You can leave. So if you find that it's just overwhelming, that interest-free payment of a very little bit of money, I mean, it's crazy not to do it. When you look at the cost of college education or a home, the third biggest investment is your vehicle. And if you don't protect it, you don't do the maintenance on your vehicle, it's not going to live up to the promises that it made to you at point of sale. And the Warranty CHIM program allows the consumer to feel safe and to know that they have a great warranty at a great price. I don't know what else to say, except, with the ShopSmartAutos program, allowing us to tie in right there and then, we've been seeing a great deal of action. I know you get hundreds of thousands of people on ShopSmartAutos.com. That's what this show is all about. And it's a consumer show. It's an advocacy show. And that's why I'm excited to be here, because Warranty CHIM is an advocacy product. It's a new age product. It's a new norm product. You go online and you buy an airline ticket. That's how simple it will be for you to protect your vehicle.
Gene, and you got a great product. I wish you all the best, because that product is top notch. I will never put that product on ShopSmart if we didn't do our due diligence and know that that's a great product. On that note, Jen, it was a pleasure having you here, and we are honored that you came to our show. We are humble about it. Have a lovely day.
Purchasing a pre-owned vehicle is a big decision. With Warranty CHIM, model for model, option for option, you're going to get the very best price you can get on your extended warranty. But let's just say for some reason you do find a better price, which is highly unlikely, Warranty CHIM is going to match that price and give you $100 towards your warranty. You really can't go wrong.
Build a better plan, choose your own deductible, and get the best price at warrantychimp.com today.